Joe Beermaster. We have a 2018 Toyota Rav4. This goes for multiple years. Basically for multiple models. I'm going to show you how to get the tail light out. On the quarter panel, I did make another video for the one on the tailgate. It's a working shop, so we're kind of doing it on the fly. So the way to get this out, change the bulb or whatever you have. These may be LED. We're going to find out. We open the hatch. There's two 10mm screws. Once you get it open, you already got it pre-loosened. Now it's stuck in there. There's grommets and pins that hold it in real tight. So I recommend that you come over here, you hold it like this, and you hit it, and it pops out. Some are easier than others. Some are more difficult. And here is the bulb. If you want to change the bulb, you just spin these out. And you take the bulb out. And unplug it. And you take the bulb out. That's how it's done. Replace it. If you need to replace the whole assembly, you take this out. And there is a socket on the inside. So you just disconnect it. Joe Beermaster, thanks for watching.